You know that when Prabhupada, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur, at the age of 16, he was most learned person in whole Bengal. He was master in Sanskrit, astrology especially, in English, in Hindi, and he was a son of very high class of person of Bhaktivinoda Thakur. All used to respect him. So Prabhupada has all qualities in him. And he wanted to make a guru blind, not learned. Those who cannot used to sign his name even in Bengal. He wanted to have Diksha from him. And he refused that. Oh, you are so learned, having so many qualities. Your father is very high class of devotee. I cannot initiate you. But he was determined. And again, repeatedly, went to Gaurkasho Dasovati. But he anyhow, by skill, he told that I'll have to ask my Lord. Gaur Chandra and Nityananda Prabhu. I am not qualified. I am not learned. But he was repeatedly requesting Siddha Gaur Kishore Das, that blind person, that please accept you. But anyhow was not accepting. He told to his father that I may die, I will starve. And he began to do like this. But even Gurudev was not melting. Then Bhaktivinoda Thakur told to Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj, please accept. Why you are not accepting? You are so kind to all, and now you are becoming so cruel. We must do. Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj respects him like his Shiksha Guru, Bhaktivinoda Thakur. So he could not deny. Look, Prabhupada at that time, what name?
Bimala Prasad.
Bimala Prasad. Began to starve. And seeing this, he became melted. So this thing is very high. Those gurus, they don't know all these things. They are very eager to collect so many disciples. But so many problems. They cannot chant, they cannot see peacefully. They will complain this, that. Today there was no salt in dal. I will give up you if you are not managing. So he has come for salt. And at that time of Prabhupada, we have heard our Guru, they used to tell. Then at that time there was nothing in Math, in Chaitanya Math, central Math of Mayapur. They used to take the leaves of a tree, sajana tree. You know sajana tree? We used to cook vegetable. Some bitterness in that, but very good for a stomach. They used to boil the leaves, little leaves, and with very little rice they used to take it. There was no available pots we take, even not leaves. They were taking their prasadam on ground, like this. One day Prabhupada said, oh, these boys like prince, that left their father and mother, everything for Krishna, and how they are facing so many difficulties, became so much. He thought that this situation should be changed. He never told Krishna that this situation will be told. He prayed that, oh, please show your mercy that they should be cured, only this. Not arrangement for leaves and rice and dal and chapati and food. Never. He was so happy and satisfied. So, each devotee, each disciple of Srila Prabhupada, they were powerful to cure whole world. There's so much. जने जने शक्ति धरे ब्रह्मांड तारिते. क्या है वो?
ब्रह्मांड तारित शक्ति धरे जने ये वेद पुराने गुण गाए.
If there is any proud devotee, he can purify whole world. So all the disciples of Prabhupada were lost. But I have seen also some, उसमें ये देखा है जैसे ऐसा नहीं हो सके, exceptions. They left the etiquette of devotees, big hairs, like Sahajiyas, also. Because they could not accept the teachings of Srila Prabhupada. Nowadays, those who are not accepting the teachings of Swamiji, they are going back behind them.
शिष्य पद वाच्य नहीं हुए.
They are actually not disciples. You should try to be pure devotee, pure disciple. Nothing, no problem. Only problem how to weep and chant Krishna, how to have healings. Only this, nothing else. Gaur Praman. और एक कीर्तन कर दो. He has come so late. God knows.
बांग्ला कीर्तन. बांग्ला कीर्तन.
तो जाते सभी को करना है. अल्लाह संस्कृत हो गया. और you can do it. You know one story of Upamanyu. You know Ramprajan? Upamanyu. You know?
भेड़ बांधने के लिए भेजा था.
हाँ?
भेड़ बांधने के लिए भेजा था.
वो अरुणी. Upamanyu.
Upamanyu, he was a very simple disciple, and his Gurudev had given him the service of taking care of his cows.
Yes.
So, when the disciple, he lives in the ashram of the Guru, then he should not eat at any time, but when he has permission from his Guru, he may take something. So, one day, the Guru of Upamanyu, he noticed that Upamanyu was becoming somewhat fat. He asked why.
Not fat, but
healthy.
he was healthy and happy.
And he asked, how is it that you become so strong and healthy?
Not like you.
And are you eating something? And Upamanyu, he was simple, and he told his Gurudev, "Oh Gurudev, sometimes when I'm out and herding the cows, then at that time I drink the milk the cows
पहले
and
भिक्षा करते थे.
drink the milk.
After cough are satisfied and some milk remaining in their horse, I used to take from their horse. Oh, why you are doing? You should not do. From today you should not take. Go on. And then what became? He went and again with thousands and thousands of cows who used to graze and to serve. For 12 years he will have to do. From the age very big, and he was doing. Again one day he called up money. Oh, I'm saying that you are not taking. Are you taking? No, never. I am obeying you. I never take milk from the cows. But still you are so healthy. Why? Are you taking anything? Yes, Gurudev. When cows, what?
Foam.
From taking. Sometimes. Take it and I'll take it. Oh, don't take. You shouldn't take. Go on grazing. But he never managed that he should take anything. How he will lie? No, nothing to Gurudev. What he was doing? He was taking
Test.
pariksha,
Examination.
whether he has come only for dental thing or not. So never he asked that, oh, have you grain or nothing, fruits, vegetables or anything. Never. Only you should go on, continue or cow grazing. After some time, he saw that one day that, oh, Upamanyu is not here. Where is he? Now it is
Late.
night it has become. All the cows has returned, but he is not here. Oh, then he took a lantern, light, and used to search. Oh, Manu, where you are? After some time he searched that. The sound came from a well. Oh, Gurudev, I am here. Oh, why you are in the well there? Gurudev, I was so hungry. By carrying your order, I could not take milk, nothing. So today I was so hungry. So I take a lips, there is very thick and some milk in them, but very poisonous. So I took this and some milk came from that lip and I became black. So I could not find the way and I just fell down on this. Oh, you have carried my orders. Come on from there. And he took him out of the well and blessed. Your eyes should come at once, eyes came. And your body should be all right, healthy, and all the
Skills, qualities, arts, knowledge.
sharp speech, essence of all ethics should come at once in you. And you should realize Brahma, what is Brahma. At once quickly he realized what is Brahma. And he knew all these scriptures, Vedic, Upanishad, and essence of all very quickly. And then he told her, now I am satisfied, you can return to your home. The gurus like this and disciples like this, they can have this all transcendental thing. We should try to be like always having all the qualities of Vaishnava. And we should have only one goal of our life. And that life, what? How do we can have what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to give? That I know. nothing else. Nothing. We should try to know what wealth was that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu brought. Our Rupanuga Guru Varga, all were like in this line. But nowadays, we don't want to know that what is Rupanuga Guru Varga. We do Pranam Rupanuga Guru Varga. But what is Rupanuga? We should. So Gurudev wants to reach this thing. It is pure disciple. He should be qualified to take. If you are taking, he will be very satisfied. And if always again engaged in badly things, worldly desires, he this, that problems. Gaur Pramanande. So you can so late. We also came late. You should invite all. Gauraj Prabhu. Is not. You can invite for.
On behalf of Srila Gurudev, Gauraj Prabhu invites all the devotees to come here tomorrow morning at about 9 o'clock
9 or 10.
or
10.
10 o'clock, and we will celebrate tomorrow the appearance day of Srila Bhakti Pragyana Keshava Goswami Maharaj. And we will in this way properly glorify our whole Guru Parampara. All the devotees are requested to also prepare some offering. Those who have such good relationship with Gurudev, please prepare your offering, and tomorrow you can also glorify our wonderful and exalted Param Gurudev, Shri Gurudev's spiritual master, His Holiness Om Nityalila Om Vishnupar Paramahamsa Parirakacharya Ashtatara Shri Srimad Bhakti Pragyana Kesava Goswami Maharaj Ki Jai.
And in evening, from 5 our classes will be begun. So try to come at least 5:30 certain. If you can at 5, okay, at least you should come at 5:30 so that we can begin our classes. Because after today, tomorrow, in very early morning, we will proceed for Philippines. Oh, yes, very easy. Oh, he should come on, and give some flowers from there. Go. Naveen. Oh, Naveen Prabhu. You should come. Where?
In the room, he's in the room, Naveen Prabhu.
Oh, Naveen Prabhu, come on.
Give in all hands. Oh, we should try to take the mercy of all Vaishnavas. It will give so much power.
My doctor?
Mantra ta bolo to?
Yes. Full दिया हम लोग मैं ले लूँगा
Uttering mantra, you should give these flowers to him. And we will all pray for him that he should be pure devotee. And he can serve Gurudev, Vaishnava and Radha Krishna, Gaur Nityananda. We should. Go.
Om Swasti no Govindah Swasti no Achyutananto Vasudevo Vishnu Dadhatu Swasti no Narayano Narovai Swasti naha Manabha Dadhatu Swasti no Visakseno Visesaraha Hari Dadhatu स्वस्ति नो विश्वक्सेनो स्वस्ति नो अंजनासुतो भगवतो दधातु स्वस्ति स्वस्ति सुमंगलैकेशो महान श्री कृष्ण सच्चिदानंद घन सर्वेश्वरेश्वरो दधातु ओम स्वस्ति ओम स्वस्ति ओम स्वस्ति
ओम मंगलम भवतु मंगलम भवतु कृष्ण भक्तिर्भवतु स्पेशली राधा दास्यम मंगलम Here of America. Oh, that's it.
Garland. Here. Beautiful.
In two hands too.
I'll give Christopher.